How to repost Instagram Reels. Click on three dot bottom right side, click on it. This window will appear. Now click on Remix. After loading, click on Not Now button. Read this instruction. We need to make some changes in this video. Click on Body button. Now we will make some changes in this video, like we will add some sticker on it. Click on Sticker and click on GIF. Now we will select any GIF image and add in a specific part of the video. Now we will add some music track from Instagram library. Click on it. And now click on Done button. Now our video is ready to post. Click on Next button. Write the title of this video. After that, click on Next button. Now our video is ready to repost on your Instagram profile. Now you can see here Instagram Reel is post. Now click on your profile and you can see here this video is become public for your followers. Also this video will be helpful for you. See you another video. Goodbye.